Alright, quickly I'm going to show you how you can import videos into CapCut video editing. Without much ado, let's get started. Actually, there are two ways in which you can import videos into CapCut. The very first one is to click on the import folder option at this very place, and then it's going to launch you there. Now let's start that. Just click on import on this very place, and then you look for the video. You must actually know the location where the video is, and then just click on the video, and then you are going to actually press it and put it there. Now for example, here is the video. You just click on open, and then it's going to actually import, and then by the time it imports, then you have it. Now I'm going to delete this, and then to show you the second one, to show you the second method. Okay, in order for you to see the second method, is very easy. Just come to your text bar here, that is wherever. It's as if you want to play the video. Okay, now and look for the video that you actually want to actually put there, and then you now drag the video, you drag it down into CapCut picture or icon here, and then you drop it at this very place. And by the time you drop, you can see that the video has been imported, and then you can begin the editing of the work. So that is how you can import video into CapCut video editor, and this tutorial is actually for beginner. I'm going to see you in the next video.